Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're excited to share with you a new method of making money online using Google News. And the best part about this, you won't need to sell anything, you won't need any prior experience, and you won't even need to utilize affiliate marketing. It's as simple as copying and pasting text. We'll uncover several websites where you can begin earning, along with showing you which powerful tool you can use to automate the entire process and save you valuable time. So be sure to hit that subscribe button as we take a deep dive into the realm of online money making.
First things first, let's begin by navigating to google.com. Once you've arrived, go ahead and enter Google News into the search bar. The top result will be news.google.com, which serves as the official Google News website. Click on that initial link and voila, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Google News. It functions as an online newspaper which offers an extensive range of news covering various topics such as world news, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Now you may be wondering, why should I be interested in this? How can I actually earn money by simply browsing a news site? Allow me to clarify. Browsing this website won't be enough, obviously. At the top of the page, you'll notice several news categories, including world news and local news, but that's actually not of interest today. We will be focusing on the most lucrative subjects: business, technology, science, and health. So you can click on the one that interests you most, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna start with the technology section. So once you select that category, you'll be presented with a huge amount of articles related to this topic. Let's see. Wireless earbuds, no. Today's scroll answers, no. A cheaper Vision Pro could replace my MacBook. Yes, that actually sounds interesting to me. So let's select this one. So all you have to do now is go to that page and copy all of the text that you see there into a Word document.
Once you have copied all the text, you need to rephrase it in order to avoid any plagiarism issues. You obviously can't just take the article and sell it as your own. But what you can do is take the information from the article and explain it in your own words. That's where ChatGPT comes into play. You head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your Google address. Then you ask ChatGPT to rephrase the article for you and just paste the text from the article of your choice. However, there's a catch. The companies that we will be submitting our articles to are highly skilled at detecting AI-generated content. So here's my tip. Before anything else, ask ChatGPT the following question. What are the essential characteristics of conversational content that cannot be identified as being written by AI? Once you get an answer from ChatGPT, you ask it to rewrite your text based on these criteria. And this means that your text will look like it was written by a human. The next step would be to proofread the text, and if you're completely okay with it, store it securely, because we're going to sell it to a few websites that are willing to pay us generously for our written content. So now it's time for submitting your article. That's the exciting part. Believe it or not, but you have the potential to earn a substantial amount of money with this article, and I'm about to demonstrate how. So let's dive into the first website we'll be discussing today, named Popular Science. So as you can see here, the average pay rate of Popular Science is $1.12 per word. Okay, so let's dive even more into Popular Science, where they pay you more than $1 for each word you write. This means that if you have a 900-word article, you will earn $900. It's incredibly simple and you won't have to spend hours writing or invest any money. You can start making money right away. So what you will have to do now is send your text to the provided email address. The email should have the subject line Content Submission. In the email, mention that you have an article you would like to submit and express your excitement about hearing back from them. To make it even more professional, you can type the text that you see on screen. After that, simply paste a query of your article into the email and hit send. If they are interested by your query, they will respond and ask for the whole article and your payment details. Don't worry, since it's your own content, there shouldn't be any issues. You can choose your preferred payment method, whether it's PayPal, a bank transfer, or any other option that works best for you. Easy, right? You can literally start right now as you watch this video. Just follow along with me and you'll be able to start submitting your own articles by the end of this video. Additionally, with Google News, regularly publishing news every few hours, the earning potential is limitless. If you take a closer look at the tech category, you will notice numerous subcategories that offer endless opportunities to make money. The more you engage in this process, the more money you will make.
Now, as promised, I'm going to share 2 more websites where you can submit your articles. The second website is eatingwell.com, which operates similarly to Popular Science, but here you can send your whole article directly. You can find the email address on the website and send your query along with your contact details. Remember, this is a different website where the focus lies on a healthy lifestyle. So go back to Google News, navigate to the health category, and search for something that grabs your attention.
Okay, let's see if we find anything interesting. No, not that one. No. Oh, this one looks interesting. A diet low in this key nutrient could be linked to age-related memory loss. Yes, I like this one. So let's find out what this is about. Obviously, you have to read it first before you copy and paste it into ChatGPT to see if it's like even of interest. But I think this one is really good.
Now, let's discuss the last website, AARP the magazine. To learn how to submit your articles to them, simply visit their website and check out the submission process right here. And here's the cool part. Apparently, they pay up to $2 per word, which is more than the other websites we've discussed. Additionally, they accept articles on a wide range of topics, including health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and many more. Here's what you can do to maximize your earning potential. Submit different articles to all 3 websites, Eating Well, Popular Science, and AARP. Of course, not every article you submit will be accepted, as they may already have similar content on their websites. So, you really have to send out a lot of articles in order to get accepted for a few of them. Also, don't forget to always check your article so it doesn't have any mistakes or sound like it was written by AI.
Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more inspiration on side hustles, don't forget to check out our other videos. See you next week!